Kama yebaziba abooluganda amanya n'eddoboozi Apostle Silas Mugonza. Nze
n'abajuzi basumba mweka lwaki bameka nga toli musumba ewunjagala bameka ali
bano si basumba.
Okay.
Amina nga bage Bishop St. Ambulance namuleeta naye abasumba basoba mu 100 naye ndowooza tukyaliwo abasumba nga 20 abali musawo abakyajeyagaliramu nga bakugamba ekyalooko down tetubimanyi tuzimbiddemu amayumba tukoleddemu ebintu bingi nnyo mu West Nile ngaze omuntu ninayo amaduuka mu district 6 Pakwaki wetuli Nebi wetuli Arua City wetuli Ekoboko kuli Doraba Road kwebuli agamaduuka nze nga kulira. These are my brothers. Tebamanyi Luganda, tebamanyi Luzungu, bamanyi Luzungu, Luswahili na
Luswahili namna gani bandugu yangu?
So,
mnaenda kusalamia watu.
This one is our operations manager for Congo. The other one is our administrator in Congo. This one is also has a territory he's leading. Let them say something to us. Let them tell you what is happening in Congo about South Uganda. The president himself of Congo has already given the invitation to the investor on 22nd of the coming month. For 1 week, he's going to be in Congo. Thank you.
So,
Bolingo, you stand up and talk to these people. What is happening in Koboko? What is happening in Congo? Alu, about sour products and rosemary growing at large.
Praise God. I'm very happy to be here this I was given an invitation to come and see what is happening here. By name, I'm Bolingo Cosmas. I'm the regional operation manager for Congo. The regional operation manager of South Uganda Congo. We have seen something important from South Uganda. We see also in Congo we have to do the same thing what is happening here. And we have partnered with South Uganda. We have started operations in Congo. And people are very happy with the products and have started consuming them. They said when we come, we have to greet you all. We are the same people, we are Africans, we have the same common language. Only the language is